Hi guys, this is simply Simeon, and in our video for today I'm going to be walking you through the Gray account. Gray is like a very popular platform currently, so I'm going to be walking you through the Gray account, and there are some options, very interesting options actually, good options here that maybe you are not aware of, or maybe you have not used them before, or maybe you have been afraid of using them because this is actually a financial platform and you don't want to make any mistake that will lead to you losing your money. And I understand that I've actually worked with a lot of options here, and I'm here now to review these options to you, how they work and what you should know about them before you head over to using them. So let's go down and let me log into my Gray account. I'm going to click on login there. I'll enter my login information. I'm logged into my Gray account now. Starting with the home page, you can see your balances as the default home page. This shows the British pounds balance, Nigerian naira balance, euro balance, United States dollar balance, and we also have a okay, let me get that to show. Oh, good. So we also have the Kenyan shillings bank account. Now, what I want you to know about this is these are the currencies that Gray supports. It supports British pounds, naira, dollar, euro, and Kenyan shillings. These are the only currencies that Gray supports for now. Hopefully, they'll introduce more of these. And so let me go down into showing you how one of these works. So now for the British pounds account, I'm going to be using the British pounds account as our study. So whatever I explain about the British pounds account applies to the Naira, Euro, USD, and the Kenyan shillings account. It all applies to them, except for one thing which I'm still going to show you. So now for the British pounds account, these are my account details down here, and these are them. I'm going to actually blur that out because they are confidential details. So now for the British pounds account, when you want to deposit British pounds, all you need to do is head over here and make the selection, payment via card, enter the amount you want, and select your preferred card if you have a card saved already. But if you don't have a card saved already, you're going to need to create or input a new card detail. So that's it for it. And you should know that this has charges because let me enter down. Imagine I want to deposit 200 British pounds. I'm going to be getting 192.4 because 7.6 British pounds are going to be taken away as charge. So you should know that whichever method you want to use here, they actually have their own charges. Now, how about the send British pound? This is a button for you to send or make a transfer. If you're in Nigerian, if you notice, or this is just like you logging into your bank app and making a bank transfer to somebody. There's absolutely no difference. That's the same thing you are going to be doing here. And for the swap British pounds, it's just if you have British pounds and you want US dollars, all you need to come here is do swap, select the British pounds, select the dollars you want, you can select the USD, you enter the amount of British pounds you want to swap, and they are going to show you the value you are going to receive in US dollars. As easy as that. Now that's everything for this. Let's go down back to the home page and let me explain some more options. If you come down, you're going to see refer a friend and earn $5. When you click here, see introducing referral bonus. Share your referral code and get $5 when whoever you refer signs up and receives $500 via their foreign account. So this is just a way of you earning from here for free. So I actually get paid $5 when the person you referred has received over $500, and that's a very nice one. I'm going to actually leave my referral, either my referral link or my referral code in the description. So if you feel you are okay with using it to create your account, that's still cool. Here, create my foreign account. This is just where you select the foreign account you want to create. It's going to actually show you. I have the British pounds account. I have all the accounts available. I actually have them. So you just select that and it's going to take you to where you can create the account. Send money, just the same way I showed you how to send money here earlier. That's the same thing. Here you select send to new recipient, select the account you want to send from. I want to send from my Nigerian account, I want to send from my Euro account, I want to send from my USD account, and it's that easy. Going down, it's just going to show you your sorry I'm actually clicking on something else. It's just going to show you your transaction record. These are the transaction records it's going to show you. Now let's go to balances. Balances will show us pretty much the same thing. They don't really have a difference because this is just their overview here on the home page. So for balances, we're just seeing how much we have, which is also available on the home page, and I already explained that. Okay, add the balance. You can actually add the currency. Now there's a new currency here, which is UGX. I've actually not added that to my account, but let me click on proceed. Let me see. Okay, UGX have been added, and that's the Ugandan shillings. I didn't even know that. So Ugandan shillings have been added to my account, and here they are. Let me close up and view them. Okay, got it. Here they are. And Gray is actually doing a great job here, and I expect they are going to be bringing in more currencies as time goes on. Going down to the accounts and reports, here it just shows us the foreign accounts and the reports, and it showed us something similar here also. Actually showed us something similar. So the home page actually contains a lot of things. In fact, the home page carries almost everything. Not everything though, but carries almost everything. Coming down to transactions here. For transactions here, it's still going to show you the transactions you have carried out over time, and these are the transactions I've actually carried out. See, I've used Gray, not that much, but I actually use Gray and I use it for a lot. Coming down to beneficiaries, just have to input. If you have a new recipient, that's the bank account, you enter it here, and that's fine. And if you have a card, your card is actually going to appear here. That's where your card is going to appear. Then come down to profile here. Profile is just going to show you basic things like your email. Like you have seen, I've actually blurred out some parts because they are actually confidential. So your profile is going to show you, and it's so bad, but as of the time I'm recording this video, Grid doesn't have a way for you to actually update your personal details. You can't update your name, you can't update your email or phone number. So imagine I lose my mail and I lose my phone number, my Grid account is gone. That's just what they mean. I've actually contacted Gray to know if there's a way around that, and they told me there's no way around it, which is actually very bad, and I feel they should look into that because it's very necessary for you to be able to edit your details such as your email and your phone number in case of any other thing. Notification setting, just select the kind of push notifications you want to be receiving, and this is majorly for your app. This won't be really effective on your this will be really effective on the website. It's really effective. It's more effective on the app actually. For security, it's just about your password and two-factor authentication, which I'm not using, but I think it's a nice one. If your device is an open one and people use it, I think you should set this up. But then if you set this up and you lose your email or phone number and you are forgetting your password as well, you're really going to have a big problem. And then here's the existing password, and you can change your password easily. Now guys, you can see how the walkthrough was very fast. I didn't want to waste your time around here saying things that I've already repeated, so I made sure I was fast about it. Here you can also get, I didn't mention this, you can get the statement of account and get your proof of account. Let's click on proof of account, and you can see, let me see that your account was updated 18th of September 2022. Let's download proof of account and let's see what. So in the proof of account, this is what we have here. This is what Gray actually gave me. I think you can even send this out to somebody if you want to receive funds from the person, and the person will just copy all your details from here and use everything. But I really don't think it's necessary to start sending a PDF. You just copy your account details and you can actually send to the person, and everything should be fine. Everything should still be okay with that. And for the statement of account, you can just click and select the date or the interval which you need your statement of account. Please don't select CSV because smartphones and not all desktops can open CSV files. So I'd prefer you select a PDF file because all smartphones should be able to read PDF files. And if they're not able, you can just get a PDF reader like Adobe Reader, WPS Office, and they should be able to do a great job for you. Working through this. Now for the last and very important option and a very important function here, which is the chat button. The chat button is a very important button because when you develop an issue here, this is the first place where you should come. You come here, send a message, explain what you want, explain what is wrong with your account or what is wrong with your transaction or what kind of issue you are facing. This is where you come and explain everything. And I don't really love the way their customer care is, because they reply a bit slow, and then in most cases they don't resolve the issue, or they just keep on giving you an answer that you don't really think is okay. They could keep on make you putting you on suspense, something like that. So I feel they should improve on that. But having this here is still great, because at least you have someone to speak to when you have an issue on green. Hope that was a wonderful guide on how you can work through this. And if you have any question on an action you want to perform here and you're not able, or you need more clarity on, you can actually leave it in the comment section below, and I'll make a video strictly for the purpose you want to use Grid for. If you want to be sending out money to people, then just let me know in the comment section, and I could make a video, an extensive video explaining that. Regardless of making another video, I feel that this video is a very good guide for you and should be able to aid you in using your Grid account. So guys, that's the end for this video. Please don't leave without liking and subscribing to my channel, because that's something I'm going to really be happy about. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.